Topic number 1. What is the real meaning of YouTube automation and how it really works? Ever dream running a successful YouTube channel without being chained to it 24/7? Imagine, meron kang system na kayang mag-grow na yung YouTube channel kahit wala ka. Dito sa course na to, I will reveal to you the real meaning of YouTube automation and how it really works. Nang wala kang ginagastos kahit sentabo. Here is the truth. Growing a YouTube channel is not easy. Kung gagawin mo ito lahat mag-isa, talagang mapapagod ka. Most of creators thinking na kailangan nilang pumastos ng malaking pera in order to start a YouTube automation, kagaya ng production, video editing, and software. But ang reality nito guys, there is a smarter way to do it. I will introduce to you the YouTube automation, a strategy designed to handle a repetitive task like content creation, editing, uploading, and optimizing. Para hindi mo na kailangan gawing lahat ito. But the best part here, dito sa course na to, I will teach you on how to build a fully automated YouTube channel without spending any money upfront. No need sa mga mamahaling mga camera at sa mga mamahaling mga editor dyan. Just smart strategy at mga free resources which is ibibigay ko din ito sa inyo. So here is my strategy breakdown. Number 1, using free content creation tools. Kalimutan mo na ang mga expensive gear kasi sa tulong ng free tools tulad ng Canva, CapCut, you can create a high quality videos without spending money. So ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ba kumuha ng mga stock footage at mga public domain resources to create a professional looking content. Number 2, editing without paying. Ang editing guys ay pwede mo namang gawin gamit ang CapCut. For free lang yan. Dito you will learn how to make polish the videos without any investment. Number 3, SEO or the search engine optimization. Optimization without breaking the bulsa or the bank. Alam mo ba guys na ang SEO, ito ang susi in order to make your video viral. Pero alam mo ba na hindi mo na kailangan ng mga mamahaling software because i-introduce ko sa inyo ang mga free tools at mga techniques or strategy na ginagamit ko din with my own personal branding para makapag-rank ng mga videos at maka-attract tayo ng organic traffic. Number 4, outsourcing without spending. Here is the exciting part here guys. Alam mo ba na hindi mo na kailangan ng mga malalaking budget to outsource the task? You will learn on how to collaborate with other content creators or freelancers who are willing to work with experience or skill exchange. Huwag kang mag-alala kasi I will guide you and bibigyan kita ng structure in order for you to find a quality individuals na makatulong sa iyo in order for you to start your YouTube automation. Number 5, monetization and scaling. Once na nakasetup na ang iyong system, you can start earning. Ipapakita ko din sa inyo kung paano bang mag-setup ng mga multiple income stream dito sa YouTube. But, in order for you to monetize your YouTube channel, alam mo ba na kailangan mo muna ng 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour, which is itatopic din natin dito sa ating course. This system isn't just a theory. Ito ang insaktong strategy and best strategy to build a successful YouTube automation channel. Now, it's your turn na naman. By the end of this course, you will have a fully automated system in order to build a successful YouTube automation without spending money. Ready ka na bang simulan ng yung YouTube automation journey? Let's get started and build a money-making machine. Let's go for the topic number 2, which is why you need to start a YouTube automation this 2024.